Hi guys, Jarkovka here. It is about 12:58 a.m. I don't know if you can hear this in the background. I've been asleep for about an hour. Can you hear this? I don't know if you can hear this. There's a bird outside, somewhere in my complex, who's decided that it is 6 a.m., not 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. And it is singing its lungs out. My body is confused because my body is thinking, birds singing, I should be awake. So my body is instantly now in awake mode. My mind is not working properly because it's thinking I haven't gotten any sleep in the past, God knows how many hours. Oh, I actually thought it stopped. So I thought you guys might be interested in this development in my life. Because if you do hear on the news that someone has killed a bird, it's probably me. And it was for good reason. Because that motherfucker needs to die. I'm sorry, Josh. I hate loud birds. That bird is a disgrace to nature. No bird sings at midnight. No bird sings at 1 a.m. Now excuse me while I go lie in bed and cry while I try and sleep over this fucking lunatic bird. Wish me luck.